birdie on. I think you should
Let's see.
hold it like that.
Okay, well, pick him up. Come on. You guys are...
Take a picture.
Okay. Oh, okay, well, is he stuck in your hair?
Yeah.
Okay, let's see. Stuck in your hair. Hold on.
Daddy.
Wait, hold on.
Ow.
He's stuck in Eason's hair. Hold on.
Teddy birdie.
There we go.
That's not a nest.
I know your hair's not a
That's
nest, but,
not a nest. Teddy birdie.
but he's a baby.
Daddy,
Okay?
that's a teddy birdie.
Okay, but they're babies.
Yeah, he thinks it's a nest.
Okay, but they're babies. Okay? All right.
Hey, he bit my finger, Daddy.
Okay, what?
Take a picture of this birdie.
Okay, I'm taking a picture.
Daddy can't see. Okay, go.
Okay.
Go.
All right, hold on, because it's being filmed. Mylon, be careful. Okay. You guys, wait. Okay, everyone stand right there. All right, Sloane, what's your bird's name?
Chip Chip.
Okay. Eason, what is your bird's name?
Tweet Tweet.
All right. How old are they?
I don't know. Mine is 4. Mine is 5.
Okay, one's 4, one's 5.
Go on.
Okay. Say hello, everyone.
Hello, everyone. Hello.
These are our favorite animals. Say hello, Mylon.
Hello.
Say hello, Sloane.
Hello.
Hello.
Hello. Hello.
So, how long have you had your birds, Sloane?
My bird is 5.
Your bird is 5 years, and you're 5 months old.
5 months old.
Mylon, are you going to allow the bird to get in front of the camera?
Yeah. Wow, the bird is biting my bracelet.
He's biting your bracelet? Okay, but they're very gentle.
Oh, this one is big.
Eason?
The bird.
All right, and tell us something about your bird. What is your bird's favorite thing to do? Okay, I guess. Mylon, are you going to stand in front of the camera?
Hey, Mommy.
Okay.
He's like.
He's what?
He likes.
Come on, look in front of the camera.
He likes
Okay, well, obviously,
he likes
Mylon.
to rock around.
He does what?
He likes to rock around.
Okay.
Look after eat like a chubby birdie. Oh yeah, he eats like a chubby birdie.
He's a chubby birdie?
Yes.
Okay.
It's a chubby birdie. Just eat, eat, eat.
Okay, say until next time, everyone.
Then another one.
All right, well, Mylon all of a sudden really loves the camera. Okay, say I love you.
I love you.
Okay, all right. Okay, Eason, everyone
And
say
how about the birdie?
Okay, everyone say goodbye.
Well, we didn't take a picture of the birdie.
Okay.
Goodbye,
we will
birdie.
Okay, be careful. Be very gentle.
Daddy.
Okay, well, guys, if you give me some space. Okay, this is not exactly Mutual of Omaha Wildlife's Kingdom or National Geographic.
Where is he then?
We're in the restroom filming this. Let's see here.
I love you.
Okay.
I love you. I love you. I love you.
Okay. All
I
right.
love
So are you okay there?
you. Yeah.
Okay. Until
When
next.
he tickles when he bites.
Okay.
I love
Okay, Mylon. Okay, we got the picture.
you.
All right.
I love you.
Until next time, say bye-bye.
Bye bye.
Bye-bye.